What do I sharpen with? Well, there is a whetstone, a Suhiro 1000 Debato whetstone. I have an Edge Pro Bevel-Tech. That's their latest guided sharpener. Check them out at edgeproinc.com. I have one of their original sharpeners, the Apex, which is like their entry-level guided sharpener, custom mounted on a piece of pine board. I have a Tormek T8. I've got two CBN wheels. That's the 1200 grit wheel, but I also have a 400 grit wheel for the Tormek. I have a Guitar Maker's vise. That's not something I sharpen with. I just think it's super cool looking. I have a Nebraska Blades CS10 that is very used but very unused. It's old, I should say, but not used very much. I have a Kalamazoo 1x42. I have a Kalamazoo 1x42. I have a Buck Tool 1x30 that I use the leather wheel here for stropping. That's my workshop tour. Warren from Honed by Jones. Later.